Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Hello Kitty beads. Gather beads, head pins, pliers, and a printed pattern, then clear a flat workspace. Start by sorting beads by color and size so assembly is quick. Use the pattern to place beads in rows, then string or fuse them according to your chosen method. Finish by adding a jump ring or clip for charms, and trim excess wire carefully for a neat final piece. Start by laying out beads according to the pattern and align them from top to bottom. If using fuse beads, place them on the pegboard then iron with parchment for even melting. For threaded designs, pass the head pin through each bead carefully and bend the end into a secure loop with pliers. Repeat small batches to maintain consistency and check each charm against the pattern before final attaching for best results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a time saver for busy crafters, with voice control and smart navigation that cleans bead spills quickly. I love its hands-off clean when projects get messy, and it makes tidying up less of a chore. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After assembly, focus on neat finishing to make your charms durable and attractive. Bend and trim wire ends so loops sit flush and will not snag fabric. Consider a tiny dab of craft glue inside, fused bead gaps to reinforce bonds, and let everything dry fully before handling. Test each charm on the final accessory to ensure balance and polish any rough spots with a soft cloth for a professional-looking result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.